Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best lab glassware is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any scientific endeavor, forming the backbone of experiments and analyses across diverse fields from chemistry and biology to medicine and materials science. Its precision, inertness, and resistance to extreme conditions are paramount for accurate results and safe handling of substances, making the choice of glassware a critical decision for researchers, students, and hobbyists alike. Whether you're conducting delicate titrations, synthesizing complex compounds, or observing microscopic phenomena, the quality and suitability of your glassware directly impact the integrity and reproducibility of your work, underscoring its fundamental importance in the pursuit of scientific knowledge and innovation. Number 5. Karter Scientific 3.3 Boro Griffin Low-Form Glass Beaker Set. Introducing a comprehensive set of laboratory beakers, designed for a wide range of applications. This collection offers exceptional versatility for your scientific needs. You'll receive 6 different sizes, from 10 ml to 1000 ml, ensuring you have the right tool for every task. Each size is provided to meet your specific volume requirements. Crafted from Type 1 Class A 3.3 borosilicate glass, these beakers meet stringent ASTM specifications. This high-quality material ensures durability and resistance to chemical and thermal stress. Featuring double metric scale graduations, they provide precise measurements with a tolerance of just 5%. This accuracy is crucial for reliable experimental results. Considered the workhorse of laboratory glassware, they are built to last. Their sturdy construction offers excellent resistance to heat, corrosion, acids, and alkalis. The flat bottom design allows for easy and stable placement on any flat surface, including lab benches and hot plates. This feature enhances safety and convenience during use. What we like. This set offers an exceptional range of sizes, covering everything from small-scale reactions to larger preparations. If you need a comprehensive collection for various experimental volumes, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction and clear markings make it a reliable workhorse for any lab. What people say. The glassware is made of borosilicate glass, which is known for its thermal shock resistance and chemical inertness. The markings on the beaker are clear and accurate, making it easy to measure liquids precisely. The design of the flask allows for efficient mixing and heating of solutions. Number 4. EISCO Laboratory Glassware Set, 9 PCS. Introducing the EISCO Laboratory Glassware Set, a comprehensive 9-piece collection designed for precision and durability. This set is perfect for any laboratory, classroom, or even home experiments. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty borosilicate 3.3 glass, each piece offers exceptional strength and resistance to breakage. Its thick, uniform walls ensure longevity and reliability in demanding environments. This set includes 3 beakers, 3 Erlenmeyer flasks, and 3 ASTM Class A graduated cylinders in various capacities. Each cylinder also comes with a protective collar for added safety. Experience unmatched performance with its superior heat and chemical resistance. It is microwavable, autoclavable, and designed to withstand high temperatures and thermal shocks without compromising integrity. Your glassware is protected with our custom-fit, thick foam casing. This ensures safe storage and worry-free transport, keeping your valuable equipment secure. Proudly manufactured by EISCO Labs, each product is created using state-of-the-art equipment and adheres to the highest quality standards. Trust in our commitment to quality and durability. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit, providing not just beakers but also essential flasks and graduated cylinders. If you're setting up a new lab, a classroom, or even a home experiment station and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this set is perfect. The included safety packaging ensures your glassware arrives intact and is easy to store. What people say. The glassware is made of high-quality borosilicate glass, which is resistant to thermal shock and chemical corrosion. The markings on the glassware are clear and accurate, making it easy to measure liquids precisely. The design of the glassware is ergonomic and easy to handle, with a stable base that prevents tipping. Number 3. Feekoon Glass Measuring Beaker and Cylinder Set. Get a complete set for all your laboratory needs. This collection includes beakers, graduated cylinders, and a stirring rod in various sizes. Crafted from high-quality 3.3 borosilicate glass, these pieces are built to last. They are resistant to high temperatures, acids, and alkalis, ensuring excellent stability. Easily measure and mix liquids with clear, easy-to-read scales. The beakers are suitable for heated liquids, while the cylinders feature a tapered spout for precise pouring. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from home labs to science-themed parties. This set is also a great gift for anyone interested in experiments. Your new glassware arrives carefully wrapped in bubbles to minimize transit damage. Please handle with care upon unboxing. What we like. You get a lot of value with this set, including a handy stirring rod and a good mix of beaker and cylinder sizes. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that provides essential tools for mixing and measuring, this package is ideal. It's great for those who frequently need to stir solutions or require a broad range of measuring volumes. What people say. Measurements are accurate. The glass beakers and cylinders are quite thick, and have performed well in different experiments and while mixing highly caustic solutions. Heat resistance and heat transfer is within the normal range of borosilicate and the graduations are easy to read. Number 2. Frienda 20 Pcs Lab Glassware Set. Introducing the Frienda 20-piece Lab Glassware Set, your complete solution for laboratory science needs. This set includes everything you need for your experiments. You'll find measuring cups, stirring rods, graduated cylinders, glass droppers, and lab beakers in this extensive collection. It's designed to cover all your scientific applications. With a range of sizes available for each item, from 10 ml to 1000 ml, you can select the perfect tool for any experiment. Precision is made easy. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, these lab essentials are built to last. They are thick, stable, and resistant to acids and alkalis for long-term reliability. Featuring clear scales and tapered pouring spouts, our glassware ensures accuracy and convenience. Reading measurements and pouring liquids has never been simpler. Perfect for students, researchers, and science enthusiasts, this set is ideal for school projects, laboratories, and scientific research. It makes a practical gift for any experimenter. What we like. This is the most complete package, offering a wide array of essential lab tools beyond just beakers and cylinders, including droppers and stirring rods. If you need a truly comprehensive setup for diverse scientific applications and want to ensure you have all the necessary accessories readily available, this kit is the way to go. It's perfect for advanced users or those undertaking complex projects. What people say. The borosilicate glass construction ensures excellent thermal shock resistance, making it suitable for rapid temperature changes during experiments. The graduations are clearly etched and easy to read, providing accurate volume measurements for precise laboratory work. The reinforced rim and spout design facilitate easy pouring and minimize the risk of chipping or breakage. Number 1. New Organic Laboratory Glassware Kit 2440. Introducing our 32-piece Organic Laboratory Glassware Kit. It's designed for all your chemistry needs. This set features standardized 2440 joints for seamless connections. Ensure compatibility and ease of use in your experiments. Crafted from durable laboratory-grade glass, it's built to last. Rely on its strength and purity for accurate results. Perfect for a wide range of organic chemistry applications. From synthesis to purification, it handles it all. This kit provides a complete solution for your lab unit. Get everything you need in one convenient package. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for organic chemistry setups, featuring standard 2440 joints for easy assembly of distillation and reaction apparatus. If you are involved in organic synthesis, distillation, or reflux experiments, this comprehensive set will provide all the specialized glassware you need. It's the go-to choice for serious organic chemistry practitioners. What people say. The borosilicate glass is very durable and resistant to thermal shock. The markings on the beaker are precise and easy to read, ensuring accurate measurements. The spout design allows for easy and controlled pouring without spills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.